Ooh, this hair is nice. It's giving me dark and lovely on the box. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased this unit with my own coin. It is also SipnSlay, and your girl got her water today because she is hydrating for her weekend activities, okay? Bring on the water. So if y'all happen to catch my stories, act like you didn't. Now for today's video, I will be installing this oldie but goodie wig, but I will be talking you guys through the tips and tricks that I use to get your wig like this. No matter if you're new to wigs or been wearing them joints for a while, this video is for you. But as always, before we get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, we are going to style this unit together. This is going to be a very hands-on tutorial, y'all. I'm going to show you guys my tips and tricks to get your lace, your hairline, your wig, everything to look like a YouTube wig influencer. Even though I do show it in most of my videos and I have been talking through a lot of what I do to my wigs, I know it is still a good idea to make a dedicated video to my favorite products and tips and tricks to use to get my wigs laid. Who was that? My bad, y'all. That was my Orkin guy. He came to spray for my mosquitoes. It's crazy down here in Georgia, okay? I can't remember his name right now, but he's super sweet. I know him and his wife have been watching my channel, so I just want to shout them out real quick, okay? So hey, Mr. Orkin. This unit that I have is an oldie but goodie to my channel, but I reviewed it in like an orangey type of color because that was new to my channel. But the wig that I'm talking about is from the Sensational Lace collection. It is the unit Kiyari, and I got her in the color 1B. If you go back to that old video, I told you that I was going to buy her in the 1B, and I literally bought her during that video, but I just never reviewed her. So she's been sitting on my shelf for 2+ years now, y'all. And y'all, she looks, ooh, she looks good. She looks good. I am so excited to try this wig with y'all. I may do some plucking with this one if need be. I mean, she's actually not bad, to be honest. I mean, a little teeny something, but for the most part, she looks pretty good. It's still small though. Okay, this wig is still teeny weeny on my head, but we're gonna go ahead and push her up in the back. Because I want to wear this wig and I'm gonna glue her down. I want the meltage, okay, for this one. Did this start the HD lace? This one isn't HD lace, but I'm pretty sure the newer ones come with the HD lace for the What Lace collection. I can't wear a wig grip with this one because again, I'm gluing her down, and honestly, there's no point with the size of this cap. I wouldn't even chance it. Let me pull this hairline back so you guys can see it. All right, so that's the hairline right there. You can see it can do, you know, a little plucking will go a long way. You don't need to, okay, this is all personal preference. But if you want a more, you know, natural, seamless looking, you know, install, go ahead and just pull some hair out that hairline to give you that look, okay? Now everything that I'm using will be linked in my Amazon store. So get that debit card, okay? Going through tweezing. Got some tangles in this joint. Ooh, she's sliding around. Now you can use the actual lace tint, but it's just too much for me. I feel like I have more control with my press powder. So initially I will go in with my press powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me press powder in 360, and I'm gonna put that all over my lace. Oh, it's raining. Oh man. I'm gonna put it all up in the hairline and on this lace frontal. This does come with a 13x6 lace frontal, but we all know for the What Lace collection, they kind of started skimping on the frontals a little bit. They were cutting a little bit closer into the sides. So it's not really giving like a full-on 13x6, especially on the sides, but it still gives you that deep part and space to the back, so you can do like a middle part, or you can kind of finagle a deep side part. Okay, so that's what the inside is looking like. You do get the combs on the side and the comb in the back with adjustable straps. I unhooked mine because again, like I said, it runs small. So for my big head girls, bust them loose. More than likely, I will leave my edges out over here because this unit will cut short on my ear tabs. Let's go ahead and cut this lace off. Whew. Oh. Let me put my glasses on. I'm trying to cut blind. So that is a little bit too much hair right there. Let me get this out. Okay, so I'm gonna use my EBIN spray to spray my wig down. Back comb that spray in there like that. And let's blow dry this. A lot of you guys be asking me how you cut the lace off. Use your razor. So just take it and follow the hairline across. You can't really mess this up if you follow the hairline because it's already pretty much there. All right, so I'm gonna take my comb and I'm gonna back comb the hair towards the front just to make sure all of it is down. I'm gonna pull it all up. And I got a little bit of lace showing right here. Okay, and now I'm going to tie her down using my elastic band. Tight, tight, tight. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and blend my makeup, then we'll come back and blend the lace and, you know, style this unit up. All right, be right back. Okay, so we are back with the makeup on. Let's get this off. Ooh, don't be pulling my hair out now. Not bad, actually. I think, I'm gonna put my glasses on. Not bad for this just being the powder. Okay, I'm gonna first take my foundation brush. I'm just gonna bring that up around my hairline to see if that kind of fixes the ashiness a little bit. It actually blended that pretty well. All right, let's brush this hair out. Ooh, this hair is nice. Okay, I'm gonna take my edge brush. I'm just gonna brush my little hairs around to kind of give me that wispy look. What I am gonna do is put a little bit of my Eco Styler gel on my brush, do a little swoopage with these hairs. I can make sure they're going in the right direction. You know what I'm saying? To give me like, you know, that natural swoop look. Yeah, that's what I want. That's a little puffy right there. Is that my hair or the wig? I think my hot comb is ready. So I'm just gonna use it like that. Getting some snags at the end, but I'm pretty sure that's because I went in and, you know, pluck through my unit. Keep brushing these hairs back like this. This is me right there. That's me, y'all. That looks pretty good without my glasses on. Let me put my glasses on and see if she looks good. I can definitely say she looks pretty good. I am seeing some white crusties around my hairline, so I definitely need to go in with my contour to get this together. This is my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Casina. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the brush and then work it around my hairline. I'm not going to do a dedicated part. I don't think that's what I want right now, so I'm just going to press the hair over. Let's get our lip gloss popping. I didn't put no powder up in there. Let me do a little dusting right up in there. Let me spot check my lace just to make sure she good. Contour, contour, yet again. Brush the hair forward to give you that wispy look. All right, so this is what we are sitting with now. I think we are good to go. Yo, this is a $50 synthetic wig. Listen. Run, don't walk. Run now. The texture is giving me silk press. Like it is, I love it, y'all. I know I love me a kinky straight unit. I'm starting to like Yaki as well, and this is definitely giving the Yaki, but silky. It is giving luster, but it's giving healthy. It's giving me dark and lovely on the box. Okay, listen. Y'all see my edges are out too, okay? This is me right here. Can y'all see this? This little slither of hair, that's me. I can see a little teeny, like a little spot right there. If that lace bothers you, go ahead and take an eyeliner pencil in black, cause you know this hair is black, and just color that in and you'll be just fine. Hold on, let me look up. Make sure my lace is blended. And guess what? You don't need Daddy Pop Pop for this one. This is sneaky link territory. You hear me? Get that pocket change. I love this for me. I sure do. This is definitely giving human hair dupe. If you don't like synthetic wigs, then skedaddle. Cause me and my wig, come closer, come. I'ma wear this joint out. You hear me? But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.